Hi nail friends, it's Cherael again, and today we are going to be doing a red and gold 3D Santa Claus nail design using dip powder. So stay tuned. So the products I'll be using today are Mia Secret Red, Kiara Sky Pure White, Pro Dip Clear Acrylic, Activator, Mia Secret Cover Beige, and Azure Beauty Red and Gold Glitter that I mixed together to get this beautiful mixture. So I've already applied my BU long stiletto tips and now I'm applying some bond to dehydrate my nails. I waited a few seconds and then I begin building my nail with clay. I start off by applying base to where the tips and my natural nail meet, and then I dip it into the clear dip powder. These nails are so long it was difficult for me to dip, so I had to sprinkle the clay onto my nails. I'm really not accustomed to these length of nails, so it took me a while to get used to them. Then I apply base to the whole nail, and then I sprinkle some Pro Dip Clear Acrylic onto my nails. I also applied base to half of the nail from the middle to the tip and then sprinkled some clear also, but I didn't show that part. So if you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button down below to let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to stay in the know about when I upload. If you're new to my channel, I upload content about dip powder and the various ways that dip powder could be used to achieve designs that are typically achieved using monomer and making it easy. If you're a first timer to my channel, check out what I've done so far, and thanks to all who have subscribed and stayed subscribed. Starting with my index finger, I apply base to the nail bed area. And then I sprinkle the Mia Secret Cover Beige on the nail bed. I did 2 layers of this. This is going to be my ombre nail. So now onto the pinky finger, I apply my base to the whole nail. And then I sprinkle the Mia Secret Red onto my nails. I wanted a red background for my glitter because I didn't want to worry if glitter was missing at a certain point that the nail may show. I wanted to use the Azure Beauty Red that I used in my Christmas design I did on Manny Tuesday episode. I'll link it in the cards if you all want to check it out. But I thought it would bleed too much, so I didn't use it. But this red also bleeds, so I guess I just should have used it, you know. So once again, I applied base and then I sprinkle my red and gold glitter mixture on my nails. I applied a few layers, but I didn't show all of them. Just do as many as you need, but don't make it too bulky. It would be close to impossible for me to make these nails bulky because of the length, so I went nuts. as you can see, I had to clean the brush on the paper towel every time before I put it back into the base because the red was bleeding a lot. But what else? Okay, moving on to the ring finger. Once again, I apply base to the whole nail. And then I sprinkle the acrylic all over the nail. I was somewhat building the nail when I applied the red acrylic away from the cuticle area. I didn't want to flood the cuticle with too many products, and I'm building an apex at the same time. The nails are so long it needed a few coats. And once again, I apply base. And then sprinkle the red and gold glitter mixture. I did a few layers of glitter, but I only showed one layer because I didn't want the video to be too long. It's already long enough. And I repeat the same for my middle finger and my thumb. So, as some of y'all may know, I started an episode called Mani Tuesday. It's where I do simpler designs using dip powder and maybe some gel polish. Could you believe I never used gel polish? It's crazy to me. I've always been scared of the LED light for some weird reason. But I've gotten over it, so I'll be using it sometime soon. So stay tuned for that. I'll be uploading on Tuesdays and Saturdays from now on if everything goes as planned. You know, life gets in the way sometimes, so for now it's all good. So don't come for me for being scared of the LED lights, okay? I'm over it now. The reason for that is because I read so many things online about the LED lights causing cancer and all these sorts of things. I was scared. I'm not a punk, okay? So I asked my doctor about it and he said it's fine to use it. So that's why I'm no longer scared. So if my doctor says it's fine, then it's fine. I just wouldn't overdo it because, you know, you never know with these technology these days. So you guys need to be careful as well. And use your sunscreen while using it also. That helps. For my index finger, this is going to be a glitter ombre nail, and I've already did the nail bed area because I didn't want glitter going on it just yet, because glitter goes everywhere. So I apply base and sprinkle the red onto the tip of the nail. So I'm using the activator method to achieve the ombre. I pour some activator into a glass. A little goes a long way, so don't waste it. So taking my acrylic brush, I dip it into the activator and then into the glitter mixture. And then I apply it to the tip and then bringing it down the nail bed area to create a nice ombre. The Azure Beauty Dip Powder Glitter is already mixed with clear, so that's why I didn't need to do so. I encapsulated the nails off camera. While encapsulating the nails, I also build the nails further to give it strength. Now I'm applying activator. I know it looks crazy. I think I did about 3 layers. These long nails are so exhausting to work with. It took a while. This is after filing and buffing, and now I apply more activator. So y'all are probably wondering why all my nails are almost almondish stiletto. Well, as you guys know, almonds are good for you, okay? So eat it. No, I'm just kidding. The reason for this is because I'm kinda clumsy. I would damage myself and maybe my eyes with stilettos. I already did it twice with these nails. But just cause it's Christmas, I'm doing these lengths. Gotta be extra for Christmas, you know? So now let's start creating my 3D Santa. So starting off with a large bead of Mere Secret cover beige and work it into a large circle. I also add more to smoothen the circle and make it look neat and nice. Next, I'm going in with Kiara Sky Pure White and I'm applying it to the top of the circle. This is going to be the cotton fluff for my Santa hat. Then I'm going in with my Mere Secret red acrylic and praying it doesn't bleed on the white. I'm using the red to create the top of the hat. So this design is inspired by the one and only long hair pretty nails again. Then I place a large bead of white at the top of the hat. I had to change my brush because the red acrylic got all over it. It also contaminated my activator, so I had to change my activator and throw away the rest of the contaminated activator. For Santa's beard, I'm using the Kiara Sky Pure White and I am just placing beads of white in a triangular shape. Then I take a medium-sized bead of Mere Secret beige and I place that for the nose. Then taking the Kiara Sky Pure White and placing 2 beads for the eyes. Next, I'm taking this white and black nail polish and I'm going to use that to paint on the eyes. And I'm using a dotting tool, so I apply the black to the Santa's eyes and then I wait for it to dry. Then I apply the white nail polish. So now I apply top coat and then I also applied some rhinestones to the nail. Now onto the index I also applied some top coat and then I applied some rhinestones as well. So I didn't want to apply any top coat to the Santa because I felt it looked better matte. However, eventually I had to apply top coat because the activator method can't harden the acrylic. So you need base or top coat that is in the dip powder kit, which is basically the same thing, to cure it. So I applied the top coat to the beard and the hat. I left the face alone. Now I apply some cuticle oil. Ooh, that nail design is nice. Loving the color shifting snowflake. Stay tuned for that one coming on Mani Tuesday. So if you want to watch more of my content about dip powder and the various designs you can achieve with it, click the videos you see on the screen. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye guys!